Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Bendigo bank, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Bendigo bank login in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now you'll be redirected to the official page of the Bendigo bank, where you can see there is a login option at the top right corner of this home page. So let's tap on that login option, and now you can see there is a three options. First one is e-banking, another one is share trading, and another one is Bendigo Super. So let's tap on the first one, which is e-banking, and finally you will be redirected to the official login page of the Bendigo online banking, where you can see it is asking us for our access ID. So let me show you an example, and if you don't know your access ID, then simply tap on the what's my access ID shown in the screen, and you need to complete more formalities, and yeah, you will be able to recover your access ID successfully. And you can see right above of this next, there is a remember my access ID option. So once you enable this one, what it basically means is your access ID gonna be saved in this browser or in this device successfully. Now let's tap on the next, and now it will ask you for your password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the next, and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, then simply tap on the I forgot my passwords on in the screen, and yeah, you need to complete more formalities. And once you verify yourself again, then yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Bendigo online banking or e-banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.